Hello guys, MrBlueMoose here. Today I am telling you how to fix software rendering mode in Linux Mint. So first of all, you want to get your specs for your graphics card. So you're going to go in Terminal and then enter the command that you see on screen. Then a bunch of things will pop up, and you're going to want to go up until you see graphics. So this whole tab here. Okay, so now you're going to want to go into a web browser. I already have the page loaded up, but basically you're going to want to search for NVIDIA. And then click on their main page, top link. And once you're in the page, oh look, Brace Tracing for Minecraft. You're going to want to go to drivers, and then all NVIDIA drivers. If you know you have a GeForce, I would GeForce, but yeah, all NVIDIA drivers. And then this is the same page as this, so I'll just go to that. Okay, so you want to go to your specs. So you can see that I have the GeForce GT610. So we're going to want to go here, product type. I have a GeForce, so GeForce, and this is going to be for you. So do not enter what I have here. Enter what's in your terminal. So yeah, GeForce GT610. Now we're going to go here, product series. Since I have the 610, we're going to go to the 600 series, not the notebook, but just the normal 600. Product. This is going to be the GeForce GT610. And then operating system, since this is for software rendering mode, we want to do Linux. So Linux 64-bit. I don't think they have a 32-bit driver, but yeah. Then download, type game ready driver, language, well, whatever language you want. And then search. This is going to search for a driver that will work best with your graphics card. And this is the one that is best suited for my graphics card, which I already have installed because I fixed this before. So they're going to hit download, and it's going to be a different driver probably for you. And I already have this downloaded, so save time. Right here. So you might forget the name of this file, so I'll just take a picture of it or something. Then we're going to go to, we're actually going to log out. Yeah, so once you're logged out, you're going to hit Control, Alt, and F1. So all those three. And then when you do that successfully, it'll go into the screen. So now you're going to log in, and you're not going to do your, like you saw my thing was Elijah. I'm going to type in MrBlueMoose because that's my desktop name or whatever. So yeah, MrBlueMoose. And then your password. After you do that and log in, you're going to want to do sudo service light dm stop. And if that doesn't work, just do sudo stop light dm. Sorry about this camera. I can't screen record this. And then of course your password. There we go. And then you're gonna want to exit out of your, oh no, we want to enter your run level. So you're gonna want to do sudo init 3. Okay, and then you're almost done. I'm going to change your directory to your desktop, so change directory, cd, space, desktop, capital D. Now you're in your desktops folder. You're going to want to do sudo, which, and by the way, sudo means you're doing the command as root, so your root user, you have more permissions, you can do more commands. So sudo sh, and then the name of that file. So then you're gonna want to run this command, and of course this will be replaced with whatever your file name is. Then you're gonna run that.
you're gonna get this page. Might be a little hard to see. And this is just because I already have it on my system. So you're gonna say this, want to continue installation, yes. And then, okay, this is gonna say install NVIDIA's 32-bit compatibility libraries. I didn't say that right, but you know what I mean. Okay, so you're gonna want to say yes because Steam requires these libraries to run, and a lot of other applications do. So yes, and click yes. And then you're gonna want to choose install and overwrite existing files. And it might get stuck on like 5% for a while, but trust me, it is going. It'll be stuck on this for a while. Then you're gonna see this screen, and let's see. I'll say yes for this. Okay, so this should be done. Now you're still gonna be in this screen, so you're gonna want to do sudo reboot, just like that. Okay, and now you should be back on this screen. Just log in. And now if you did everything correctly, it should be normal. And just to show you, if we go into administration, driver manager, you'll be on continue using a manually installed driver. And that's because you manually installed the driver. And there you go. If this worked for you, please like, maybe subscribe. If it didn't work for you, just let me know. Hopefully we can figure out something in the future. Okay, bye. Hope it worked. Then you're gonna see this screen, and let's see. I'll say yes for this. Okay, so this should be done. Now you're still gonna be in this screen, so you're gonna want to do sudo reboot, just like that. You'll be on continue using a manually installed driver. And that's because you manually installed the driver. And there you go. If this worked for you, please like, maybe subscribe. If it didn't work for you, just let me know. Hopefully we can figure out something in the future. Okay, bye. Hope it worked. Okay, and now you should be back on this screen. Just log in. And now if you did everything correctly, it should be normal. And just to show you, if we go into administration, driver manager, you'll be on continue using a manually installed driver. And that's because you manually installed the driver. And there you go. If this worked for you, please like, maybe subscribe. If it didn't work for you, just let me know. Hopefully we can figure out something in the future. Okay, bye. Hope it worked.